Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you allow camera access on Instagram phone. Instagram has become a powerful social media platform. The photo sharing app will offer several features to create and post beautiful images and videos and share them with friends. To do this, however, your Instagram must be able to access your camera. But you probably didn't know this and already tapped on deny when the prompt came up. You are now stuck with an app that won't allow you to take photos and videos with loved ones. First, open the settings on your device. Select apps. Tap see all apps or manage apps. Then, find Instagram. Tap on permissions or app permissions. Then tap on camera. Select allow only when using the app, or if you prefer the second option, ask every time to turn this option on and allow access. Relaunch Instagram to confirm it now has access to the camera. The easiest way to verify the access is by opening a new story view. Tip: if you have followed the steps but are still not able to upload photos and videos to your IG, you need to update both your IG app and your device's operating system. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.